Hello everyone and welcome to the Sew It Yourself Pattern channel. In this video I will show you how to sew the Arielle blouse. And the first step is to place the front and back pieces together at the shoulders. Make sure that the right side of the back piece is facing the right side of the front piece. And repeat the same process for the other side because one will be the lining. And now sew the shoulders together with a 1 cm seam allowance. And after, give every shoulder seam a good press. And the next step is to make the ties. For that, fold them in half with the left sides facing each other. And now iron it flat. And then unfold it and take the edges toward the center line that you just created. And then fold again edge to edge and iron it flat. And now sew the ties very close to the edge. And now place the ties on the right side of one of the tops on the marking and sew with some stitches the ties on the top before sewing the tops together. And now position the blouse lining on top with the right sides facing each other. And pin together the length, the armholes, and the length of the front piece and the front neckline, the back neckline. And at the front piece, make sure that the ties are sandwiched between the top and the lining. And then you can start to sew. Make sure that you keep the side seams open. And after you sewed everything together, you can trim the seam allowance. Turn the blouse right side out and do that through the shoulders so that the correct side of the fabric is visible. And after you turned it over, give every seam a good press. And then with right sides together, sew the side seams with 1 cm seam allowance, all 4 layers into 1 seam per side. And for sewing, I suggest to first sew with your normal sewing machine. And then serge the seam or use a zigzag stitch to make sure that the fabric will not fray. And then give every seam again a good press and you're done with the Arielle blouse. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.